Hi, class. Welcome back from spring break. I just wanted to bring you through our class this week so that there's no questions about where things are and stuff like that. So please watch till the end of the video. You want to go to course materials as always and scroll all the way down past our online class for the week before spring break, and you'll find our class for this week. On this page is the only page where I have all the activities and everything that you're going to be doing this week listed. So, copy and paste it, put it in a document, print it out, however you want to keep track of it. This week, you're going to learn how to make a commentary project proposal and annotated bibliography, and then you're going to learn how to use quotes effectively in your essay. Please pay attention, for there are a lot of things due throughout the week. Your big days to remember are Mondays, Wednesdays, and Sundays. But that doesn't mean in between those days you're not working on things. In fact, those are due date days. Okay? So Monday you have 4 things to kind of go over. I know that feels like a lot, but it's not. Number 1 is just going to talk about how to write an annotated bibliography. It's like a reference guide, so you kind of look at it, figuring out how to do the annotated bibliography. It's really not that hard. Then you'll review the commentary project proposal prompt. That's just what I'm looking for. So again, it's like something you're reviewing and looking at. And then the 2 things that you're actually going to have to be reading is the example mock commentary, which is to inform you what a mock commentary is, because I think it's one of the hardest in all the microgenres for learning. And then finally, you'll want to read the proposal for a new tech bill because it's in response to the Cambridge Analytica kind of scandal that went on that we watched in The Great Hack. Okay, and then I have homework just to kind of remind you so that by Wednesday your homework is done. So you can start it on Monday. You don't have to wait until Wednesday, and I actually recommend that you don't. So one of your homeworks is to create the project proposal and annotated bibliography. That should be pretty quick. Get that out of the way, turn it in. You can turn it in anytime up until Wednesday, 11:59 p.m. The other thing is you're going to participate in the discussion about the mock commentary and the proposal for a new tech bill. And because it's a discussion, I would like for you to post something in there today, Monday or Tuesday, and then respond by Wednesday so that it actually is throughout the week that we're, the next 3 days that we're talking, rather than everybody run to the last minute on Wednesday. That's going to make it really hard for people to have anyone to respond to. Okay, and then Wednesday is more of what's going on Wednesday is what is due. So you'll have to submit your project proposal, you'll submit or finish participating in the discussion. And then the last thing you'll do on Wednesday is just view the PowerPoint on integrating quotes effectively. So Wednesday is pretty light as far as like getting all that stuff in. Then your homework from Wednesday until Sunday is to revise your commentary essay from your peer feedback that you got prior to spring break and during spring break for the late scragglers, and then my instructor's comments, which are done for a few of you, and some of you I'm still doing. I should be getting them done hopefully by Tuesday. And submit your new draft to the SCA tutor online by Sunday. So you'll just be doing a revision. Okay, and then the other homework you'll have due on Wednesday is reflection on what you learned about the PowerPoint that you watched, to integrating quotes effectively. And I actually recommend watching the PowerPoint and just doing that and being done and not have to worry about that and just get that out of the way. So Sunday, all Sunday is due dates. So you'll submit your full second draft of your commentary essay to a SCA tutor online through the e-tutoring system, and it usually takes about 48 to 72 hours before you'll get it back. And then you'll submit proof of the submission to that, so I know that you actually did that because I have no way of knowing otherwise, and you won't get points for doing it if you don't show me that you did. And then finally, your reflection on what you learned about integrating quotes effectively. So it looks like a lot, but really it's just not that crazy. So you click on in here, and I just want to kind of run through the setup. This is how it'll be set up every week. If there's anything I need you to reference, like a prompt for an essay or anything like that, it'll be right here. It's just for your reference at the very top. And then I'm going to scroll quickly in and go back. But if you scroll down, you'll see Monday, and it'll tell you all what you do in the homework. And then Wednesday, all what you need to do and then the homework. And then finally, Sunday, all you need to do. And of course, there's no homework this Sunday. Some Sundays there might be. Well, if I scroll back up here, it basically just tells you everything that you need to be doing on Monday. And I have it in the order I listed it up here. So it kind of just makes it easy. And you just kind of look through all the things that you're supposed to be reading. It says to read it for Monday. And then it tells you your homework. You know, after you've done reading those things, create your project proposal and annotated bibliography and participate in the discussion. So once you've done your project proposal and annotated bibliography, or you're ready to participate in the discussion, just scroll down to Wednesday. And Wednesday has everything in order to 1, 2, 3. So participate in a discussion will be 2. So you see 2's down here, you'll just scroll down and be like, okay, here I am, I'm gonna post in here. Okay, I'm ready to submit my annotated bibliography. And then here is the integrating quotes effectively PowerPoint. Okay. And then again, it'll tell you what your homework is. After you're done doing that, start to do the reflection and getting your commentary essay revised and ready to submit to a SCA tutor. And then on Sunday, submit your essay to a SCA tutor here. And I'll click on the link and it'll bring you to this page. And what you'll want to go is into the getting started, and they'll look for your college. You'll find Cal State East Bay, and then you need to log in before you can access the tutor services. Then all you need to do is, if you're on a laptop or a computer, is press Control Alt Print Screen and get a screenshot of once you've submitted your essay. There'll be like a screen that'll pop up and it'll say, you know, essay submitted, you know, and some details and directions about it. Get a screenshot of that and save that. We go back here, proof of submission to the SCA. So you capture a screenshot of the submission, you copy and paste the screenshot into .docs or .pdf and just upload it here. Okay, all I'm going to do is go through, check that you have it, and give you the credit. Okay, and then finally, reflect on what you learned from the PowerPoint, and you just click on here, and you have about a one-page reflection answering these different questions down here, and address each question in its own paragraph. All the directions are there for you. And that will be our full week of instruction. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, technology issues, things that are going on in your personal life that are making it hard for you to get work done, any of that stuff, please, please, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and email me. All right, happy writing.